Tell me about
myself. My name is Karuna. My school name is ZP Primary School, Zambe. I am in class 4.
I live in Zambe.
I live in Zambe. My father's name is Ganesh. My mother's name is Meenakshi. I am 10 years old.
Years.
I am 10 years old. My brother's name is Adarsh. I have no sister. Mubashira is my best friend. My hobby is dance.
Dance. Dancing is my hobby. I like to dance. असं पण तुम्ही म्हणू शकता. छान. करुणासाठी